It's time to explore where you live with Adventure Arkansas, sponsored by Adventure Subaru.
We're going with the flow this week. The water from recent rains is running across mountains, hillsides, cliffs, boulders, and ravines. I took the Adventure Subaru into the Ozark National Forest to see 3 falls. I started on the Pig Trail to find Murray Falls. I hiked down the creek and followed it for about a half mile, skipping over boulders and fallen trees before the water streams over a cliff and into a canyon. The crystal clear water free falls 37 feet into a pool below. It was absolutely beautiful, and the sound of the rushing water is so relaxing and peaceful. You can hear the water from a quarter-mile away as it echoes throughout the valley. Around the bend, there is another fall, Senyard Falls. I hiked up the cascade above and found this V-shaped fall. This one had multiple layers of rock that the water has to overcome before going into the canyon below. The final fall for the day was a bit further west, near White Rock Mountain. This one has not been visited often, but it's still an easy find. The creek gently flows down the side of a mountain and into a laguna below. The cove is filled with cold layered rock as drops of water free fall all the way around the semicircle edge. More cascades are visible as you hike further down the slope. Even though it is cold this time of year, it's still a really good time to see waterfalls because the frozen ground does not soak up all the water as it flows down the mountains. There are over 100 large waterfalls to discover just within 50 miles of Fayetteville and Fort Smith. The terrain of the natural state, especially in the Ozark National Forest, makes Arkansas a waterfall chasing destination. Next time it rains, make sure you come to find these hidden gems in the following days. With Adventure Arkansas and chasing the waterfalls where you live, I'm 5 News meteorologist Matt Standridge.